Assalamu alaikum for class. Hope you will be fine, beta. Welcome to your maths lesson. Today we will do exercise 10, that is on page number 43. As you know that our unit 3 fraction is going on and all the question is relevant to fractions, okay? And exercise 10 is arrange the following fraction ascending order. That how can we arrange fractions, different fraction in ascending order? Can you tell me that how can we know that which fraction is smaller, which is greater from all? So to find this, how to arrange in ascending order, first of all we have to follow some steps. As you see, I have written all these statement, and the question number 1 is 6 by 10, 1 by 4 and 7 by 8. So to arrange in ascending order, the first step is make the denominator same. How can we make the denominator same? By taking the LCM. So we will take the LCM of these three denominators, 10, 4 and 8. Okay, as you see, I have taken LCM, least common multiple, by dividing all the numbers, okay, with a common number, and we get the LCM 40. Our required LCM is 40. So we have to convert all these fractions denominator to 40. For this purpose, first of all we take the first fraction, that is, how can we change 10 to 40? By multiplying it with 4. Okay, so the number become 6 4s are 24 and 10 4 times 40. So we get this first. And now the second one is 1 by 4. By multiplying it with 10, we get 40. Okay, and the third fraction is 7 by 8. 8 5s are 40, so we will multiply it with 5. 7 5s are 35 and 40. Now, as you see, now all the denominators are same, and the numerator, now we have to check that which numerator is smaller. As you see, 10 is the first number, 10 by 40, because we in ascending order we start from the small, greater, and the last one is greatest. Okay, 10 after 10 24 by 40, and the last number is 35 by 40. So this is the ascending order, hence we write the answer. As you see, 10 by 40 is on behalf of 1 by 4, and 24 by 40 is on the behalf of, we write the comma here, 6 by 10, and the maximum number is 7 by 8. So this is the arrangement in ascending order: 1 by 4, 6 by 10 and 7 by 8. Is it clear now? 1 by 4 is smallest, 6 by 10 is greater than 1 by 4, and the 7 by 8 is greater than by all. So this is the way how you can find. Okay beta, all of you will complete this exercise. There are 8 parts of this exercise. You will write it on the notebook, and beta, when you will practice, you will feel enjoyment when these all questions you can do easily. So all of you complete your work and you share with us, because all the questions having same procedure. You just find out the LCM, and then you will have to change the denominator to LCM number, and then you will compare. Okay ji, Allah Hafiz.